Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter in a 2006 Ford F-150. Procedures will be similar for most F-150 models from 2004 to 2008, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the hood. Locate the air box, which is in the middle of the engine bay. Pull up on the two clips to disengage the tray from the air box. Slide the tray out and remove the old filter from the tray. Clean any excessive debris from the inside of the air box. Place your new filter in the tray, making sure it is seated all the way around, and slide the tray into the air box. Refasten the clips to secure the tray in the air box. Close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop or certified auto repair service center in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.